I wish I knew what you were thinking of. One last drink before it's time to.
We are going to Poowong. You did not set your map?
We're gonna go right.
Alrighty.
There's more signs.
We are exploring Poowong without Google Maps. We're gonna rely on Daddy's navigation skills.
Daddy GPS.
Daddy GPS, yeah, that's right. We are going to see the Poowong Lookout and Sculpture Park, and then we will go to a little restaurant called Heartfelt.
It's a cafe.
Oh, sorry, it's a cafe, Heartfelt Cafe. There's only 3 main cafes, eateries in Poowong. They're the pub, the little takeaway cafe, and the Heartfelt Cafe, and that's where we're gonna go today and try out.
Yeah.
See what the weather's gonna be like. If it's going to rain, according to our it's going to rain it's going to rain according to our unreliable weather forecast. We found the right way.
I found the right way.
You found the right way. Going to rain, depending on how bad it's going to be. We might be able to see the town. We're going to look around, so we are already here.
I'm a shy deer in the headlights. She's coming over and I'm just standing there like. It's like a riptide on the inside. Keep it together, man, you could drown in those blue eyes. She said, hey you, isn't it funny how we always seem to meet at every place in town? Yeah, I must be lucky. I reply, you can take me high. Maybe I just.
3. Okay, I'm gonna.
Found it.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, was that it? We just drove past.
Really? Oh, okay. Yep. That's that.
That's not it.
Ooh.
What's that?
It's a sculpture.
A brief history and facts about Poowong, Victoria. Poowong, Victoria is a small rural town in the South Gippsland region of Victoria, about 90 to 100 kilometers southeast of Melbourne. It is well known for its dairy farming, rolling green hills, and a strong community spirit. The area was first settled by European farmers in the 1870s, with some of the earliest land selections recorded in 1874. A township survey took place in 1879, and community facilities such as churches, a school, a store, a hotel soon followed. The fertile land, once heavily forested, was gradually cleared for agriculture, particularly dairy farming. The Poowong Butter Factory opened in 1892, reflecting the importance of the dairy industry to the local economy. The name Poowong is believed to come from an Aboriginal word recorded in the 1850s. The source states it means carry on. Poowong has a long sporting tradition. The local Australian rules football team is the Poowong Magpies, competing in the Ellinbank and District Football League. Despite being a small town, it has facilities including a primary school, community hall, swimming pool, tennis courts, and sporting venues. The town is surrounded by lush dairy farmland and historic sites, including the Pioneer Chapel and Cemetery. Today, Poowong remains a quiet country town with a strong agricultural base and a close-knit community. Interesting. I think all the houses here have their own sculptures. That's the post office, and this is it. Cafe takeaway. This is the other eatery here in Poowong.
Mommy, don't open the
Now we are heading to the cafe that we want to check out. It's called the Heartfelt Cafe. Are we ready yet? I am. So time check, it's only 10:15, but we are going to have our brunch. There's the pub. Here's the other cafe, the takeaway. Sam?
We're not going in that house.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not. I don't want to go in that house. I don't want to go in that house.
We are going to this cafe. It's really cute. Why aren't we? Ooh.
Morning, guys.
Good morning. How are you? Good, thanks. Where do you want to sit? Have here, please. Yeah. Thank you. Oh my God, this is so cute. They have. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's a really cute cafe, really poshy. Who would ever thought you're gonna find a cute cafe in a small town like this? Okay, where are we gonna have? That's their menu. All day breakfast, all day lunch. I like this section.
To the moon and back, we had a love like that. Why do I feel like that's slowly fading? We used to be friends, that was way back when. You and I, we were a slow burn, baby. Oh, we were young, so tenderly. Looked at the world through rose-colored glasses. You had your goals, then you met me. Did you let those dreams pass you by? I would never blame you if you lied. No, I won't be the one to hold you back. 'Cause we can stop the time, it's just a fact. We're not getting younger, we're not getting younger. In the bed we made, I lay wide awake, but I keep losing myself in these daydreams. You're right next to me, I can hear you sleep, but I know you're not dreaming of me. Oh, we were young, so tenderly.
We had a good brunch. We enjoyed our brunch. The only thing that we didn't enjoy much, well, I liked it, but Bryn didn't like it much, was his coffee. We ordered the same coffee, but for some reason it tasted really different. Anyway, we're going to Nyora. This is not on the plan today, but it's a good day, and I think we've already did what we want to do in Poowong. So we are going to the next town called Nyora. Okay, Bryn and I are just talking about that house. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like someone's living there, but at the same time.
It's very derelict and
Get out
abandoned,
of the car.
Okay, we'll get out of the car.
possibly haunted.
Would come, don't wanna go there. If tomorrow would come, I wanna stay here in that shimmering light of your eyes. If tomorrow would come, don't wanna go there.
This is the rail trail. Looks like it's going to rain again. Wow. Yeah.
More horses. Look, hey, the horses.
Yeah, careful. I believe the Nyora station is the starting point of the Great Southern Rail Trail. So in 1890, Nyora station opened and later became a junction for the Wonthaggi branch line from 1910 until 1978. And then it ended in July 1993. And the site was subsequently restored by volunteers for the South Gippsland Tourist Railway. So the things that you can do along the rail trail now are walking, cycling, jogging. You can also appreciate historical timelines and yeah, just a sense of the history of the town. Oh, look at this tree. I got sidetracked by this beautiful tree. I love trees without leaves for some reason. So Nyora is still a part of South Gippsland, and it is nestled the same thing in the rolling green hills of South Gippsland, Victoria. Its population is approximately 1,644, and it is located roughly about 84 kilometers from Melbourne. So it's way closer from Melbourne compared to Poowong,